For this video, I'll show you guys how to hook up the cables, the battery cables, to this Suzuki 2001 Suzuki 70 horsepower. So here we are. So your positive terminal goes right here. This is the stuff for the relay for the starter. So make sure you put them on this side, not this side, because I tried putting this on this side, and what happens is when you put on the battery, it'll direct power to your starter and start turning. So put them right here. This side is always nothing on it besides this main line going to the, all over, going to the brain and everything. So hook up your positive line right here, and your negative line, hook them up right to the body, any ground you can see. Like for me, I had it hook up on the inside next to the starter, or to the starter, the starter body. So that's how you hook it up to this Suzuki. I mean, it might work for others, but yeah. Alright, shoots. Thank you for watching.